Oh, what's up, you guys? Quick video, quick tutorial, how to fix a 2005 Toyota S Corolla hood that's not closing. Quick backstory, my friend had a check engine light on his car. I went out there to check it, popped the hood, checked the oil. Oil is fine, dropped the hood back down. It didn't freaking close, all right? I was freaking out. Looked on YouTube, there's a great tutorial. Forgot the YouTuber's name, but he was under the car, actually under the hood latch. He was talking about the barrel and the wiring system and how you can fiddle with it. That didn't work for me. Something else worked for me. I actually took this, I forgot what this is called, screwdriver. I used this as the placement bar. I had another screwdriver which I use as leverage to push down on it. Now, so to do this, you're gonna need 2 screwdrivers. I highly recommend you wear some gloves. If you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna miss your shot and you're gonna cut your hand. It didn't happen to me, thank goodness. Haha, I got clean hands. But that's because I wore gloves. So be smart, wear gloves, let's go do this. So now we are traveling to the scene of the crime. I have my car keys with me, have my gloves, have my tripod so I can give you guys a good example of what's going on. Screwdrivers once again. All right, here's the car. Okay, so when we get in, you can clearly see that this is the latch right here. What I'm gonna do is I already have the hood closed. I don't know why I'm going to redo what I just fixed, so I can show you guys exactly what to do if you guys go through the same problem, because this sucked. You can pull this and it will pop the hood. If you look closely, there is the bracket right here and stuff. I didn't have to do that last time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna step outside. We're going to go over here to the front of the hood. You can see now it's popped. We are going to lift it up. Bam, this is what we got. This is the freaking culprit. Make sure your stand is put in, jeez. All right, so now since we're here, this is the issue. Let me tell you guys, this is the cable right here. Now it might be different on your Toyota car, but this is where this is. Let's follow this bad puppy. So it's gonna go all the way through here. You could actually pull the cord, it's still right there. Follow it all the way right here. Do the near the air box and everything, the battery. It's right here. You can still see the cord right there. We're gonna follow it all the way back into the car. We're not gonna go through all that. So what we're going to do is, the problem is this right here isn't closing on this. Why? I have no idea. Let's just drop it and see if it'll close. Oh crap. Oh no, it's not closing. I'm gonna reopen the hood. This is when I recommend you put your gloves on, so let's do that. So I hope you guys can see this. The problem is right here. We are going to take our 2 screwdrivers, and number one, we're just gonna make sure that this locking mechanism is working. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to, take off my other glove. Don't want to mess it up. And what I mean by this, by wearing 2 gloves, if you push this down and if you miss, you're going to cut your hand on any of these metal brackets. So I'd recommend you, once again, wear gloves. Put these on. Cool. So now what we're going to do is make sure the lock bracket is working. So once again, this is too long. This stops right here. This is going to stop over there. So we need something small that we can leverage. This is perfect. I got it from Milwaukee. Get it from the Home Depot, whatever, if you have one. Make sure to use this rivet right here. This is perfect. You can go right through here. Get down. You want to make sure that your lock is working. This might take a few tries. Whew. Let's try one more time. Okay, hold on. Reposition the camera. Let me go in the car and make sure it's unlocked real quick. All right, so it should be working. Let's try this one more time. All right, so the locking mechanism is in place. It's working. As you can see, we have it locked. This is where That right there should go. So what I found out is once I made sure it was working, I dropped the hood. I'm like, oh, okay, well the bar is in the way, perfect. Then I went back to the vehicle, I popped the hood, I checked it out, and I was like, oh, okay, bam, look, closed it, bam, like a whistle. Your car is ready to go, you don't have to worry about anything. That's how you fix it. That's how you fix it. Thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna go outside because I've been dealing with this car way too freaking long. I hope that you guys get this over with. Yeah, I'm done for the day.